Okay, climbing question 4 here. Create a function called hide, which will make an element disappear. That should be quite straightforward. Use the show function to make captions. Right, okay, let's go make our hide function. So it's going to be particularly easy because we've got a show one already. Let's have a look at this. Or apparently we've got a show one. It said, is that? Oh yeah, show. So there we go. Function show. Make an element visible. Well, we want to make it invisible, so let's copy that. Paste it in there. Obviously, it doesn't matter what. Well, maybe it's not obvious. I shouldn't say that. What order we've got these functions in. We just call them, and it'll find the right function. So it's going to hide. It's going to take in an element ID, and yeah. We just need to change this code. So at the moment, show was setting the display to block. If we set the display property to none, so that's CSS that you've learnt about, just setting display to none, then we now have a nice function which should work. Oh God, what a racket. Right. And now what am I doing? What did it say to do? Someone tell me. Make the captions for the images appear when the mouse pointer moves over the image and disappear when it moves off. So, although this is just moving over and moving off again, we couldn't do this with hover because we can only apply the CSS styles to the thing we're hovering over. With JavaScript, we can apply the CSS styles to different things. Right, image captions. I've definitely remembered what it said there. Here's an image. Here is a caption. So when I hover over the image, I think that's what I said, on mouse over equals, so I'm doing this in the image tag. Let's just give you a bit of space there to see. In the image tag, on mouse over, we want to do show. And if we do this.id, that should work nicely. And on mouse out, we want to do hide. Oh, my children are like feral animals screaming at each other, I can hear. Anyway. Hide this.id. Let's check that works. And then we can do it for the others. So if I click on top roping and then that. Oh, because it's not this ID. I mean, if I was a pro, I'd start this video again, but I'm not. Right, single quotes for putting this in, by the way, because they're in double, double speech marks here, so we use singles inside it. I want top caption. That's what I want, appearing and disappearing. Here we go. Top caption. I also would rehearse things and check that I knew what I was doing beforehand. Right, click to yay. Right, okay. Now, quick bit of copying and pasting. I want to take that whole chunk with on mouse over and on mouse out, and I want to stick it in the bouldering image. And I want to change the ID of that caption is bouldering caption. I see I've been completely inconsistent in the way I name these. There we go. I'm going to paste it into the scrambling image as well. And what I want to make appear and disappear is scrambling caption. I've only just... oh my god, Hill. Just realised it's not called top because it was the top. I didn't call it top because it was the top thing. Top, middle and bottom. I called it top because it's top roping. Ah! Anyway. It's... oh, I can't... I mean, I made this a couple of years ago, so forgive me. Let's just check. Right, I know top roping is working. Bouldering, working. Scrambling, working. Right, see you.